And let's look at a sample problem. Again, this piece of information will be used for 4 questions. Look at this, read the information, solve the question along with us one by one, pass the video, try it, and then continue, see the solution. We'll go to the next question, pass the video, try the question, and also see the solution after you've solved it. So what is this pie chart about? Monthly expenditure of a family on food, house rent, clothing, education, fuel, and miscellaneous. Study the pie chart and answer the questions. The title is family expenditure. I see rent, food, miscellaneous, fuel, education, clothing. They have given in percentages for me here. Do I know how much is the total expenditure? Just from the information of this pie chart, nope. Do I know how much is the family spending on rent? I know that it is 20% of the total expenditure, but I don't know what is the total expenditure in rupees or dollars. That's why I cannot comment on even the actual value of this rent. So if you see the question, it says if the expenditure for food is $9,000, then the expenditure for education is. You see what is expenditure for food according to the pie chart? Food is this blue 30%. So 30% of the total expenditure is $9,000. So they are asking how much are they putting up in on education, right? Education is brown, 18%. This is what I need to find out. If I find out the total expenditure, then obviously I can find 18%, right? 30% of total expenditure is 9,000, 3,000. So that's basically saying total expenditure is 30,000. Once I know this, what is 18%? Is 18 by 100 into 13,000. Right, this is 5,400. So the answer would be 5,400. Other way to look at this is this, to not waste too much of time in finding this. 30% is 9,000. So what is 3%? 300. Sorry, 900, right? My bad. 30% is 9,000. 3% will be 900. And 18% will come when I do into 6 times. So this into 6 is $5,400. Right? So this is of same value, right? 30% of total expenditure, 18% of total expenditure is the same value. That's why we can actually do this way. 30% is 9,000, then 18% should be also similar proportion. So other way to look at is this: 30% is 9,000. What about 18%? X. So I do 30 by 18 is equals to 9,000 by X. 30 by 18 is 9,000 by X. So 6 3s are 6 5s are 5, 18,000, 1800. So X is 5,400. It's all the same thing that I'm doing, just I'm showing you different ways to solve it faster if you are comfortable with this percentages and basic concepts. The second question is talking about the central angle of the sector for the expenditure on the fuel is. So I have to convert the percentage to degrees, right? I know that 100% is 360 degrees. What is the central angle for sector on fuel? Fuel is this color, so that is 15%. So I just need to know 15% equates to what angle? 100 by 15 is 360 by X. 5 2s are 5 3s are 2 18s are, so X is 54. So it is 54. The other way to look at is this: 15% is 15 by 100 of 360 degrees. 5 3s are 5 20s are 20 18s are, so this is also 54. Whatever the way you do, it's the same thing. Percentage to angle, I can simply do this. 15% to angles is 15% of 360 degrees gives me the angle. If the expenditure on fuel is 3,000, then the total expenditure excluding expenditure on house rent and education is, you see, what is the fuel? 15%. So 15% is basically equals to 3,000. What is the total expenditure excluding expenditure on house rent and education? What is the rent? 20%. Education 18%. So the total is 100%. I just need to exclude the rent and the education, that is 38%. This will come to be 62%. So I just need to find out what will be the 62% equivalent thing. So 15 by 62 is equals to 3000 by X. 15 ones are 15 200s are, so X will be 62 into 200. So this will be $12,400, right? Again, as I did earlier, you can do this. If I know 15% of total expenditure is 3000, so total expenditure must be 15 by 100 into total expenditure is 3000. So that gives me total expenditure as 20,000. Once I know it, I just need to do 62% is the total excluding the house rent and education. 100 minus 20 plus 18, 38%. So 62% of 20,000 gives me 12400. This also gives me the same answer, but this will be the faster and efficient manner. The last one, the total percentage of expenditure on house rent, clothing, and fuel is greater than the percentage of expenditure on food buy. So, what is the total percentage of expenditure on house rent, clothing, and fuel? House rent 20, clothing is this color, so that's 12, and fuel is this 15. What is this? 32 plus 17, 47%. And food is 30%. Ideally, this is a bit what do you call it, confusing actually. It's not right in terms of the way the statement is set up. It have been the total percentage of expenditure is greater than the percentage of expenditure on food buy. Here I can see the option wise it should be 17, so 47%, 30%. But when I say something is more than something by what, it should have been slightly more clear in terms of other way to look at is this 47% is how much percent more than 30%, right? This will come to be approximately 50%, slightly more than that, 56.66% to be precise, but that's okay. The question should have been slightly better constructed, but the question was meant to be basically asking me to subtract the percentage of expenditure on house rent, clothing, fuel minus the food. So that's 47 minus 13, that is 17 is the difference.